YouTube, what's up, man? I got another video for y'all boys today. Man, you gotta try out this max endurance and proficiency build on Danny. He really cannot be touched. And he moves so fast through the map and can just like pick through doors in like 1 or 2 seconds. Like you just can't beat it at all. I got a couple gameplays here for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the video. And holla back at you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and get back at me. Peace. Enjoy.
Come on, I gotta do something. I can't die here.
Yeah. Got Danny boy. I got some man. That shoots.
Thank God.
Broke his ankles. I don't know what he was trying. Gotta be faster than that one. Sheesh. Gotta be faster than that. Oh shit, pressing the wrong button. Give me that. Give me that. Come on, he can't keep up with me. I'm all over the place. He trying though. He trying for sure.
They can't follow me so easily here. Leland, good to see you, man. Please.
We got Johnny. Oh, yeah. Let's go get it.
I can use that.
Oh shit.
This'll do nicely. I don't think this. Oh God, these people are just freaks.
Oh lord, they going crazy. Hold on. Okay, he's circling back to the house again.
I don't see anybody. Okay. Damn it! Everywhere I look, they're right
There
here.
you go. He's over there. You really running? Don't come jump me, please. That's fine. I'm faster than you, Johnny. I'm faster than you, Johnny. Sheesh. Shit.
Lost them. Looks clear.
It's dangerous out here right now. Ooh, woo. It's hot. Real hot. Come on. Johnny, what you just standing there for? Go somewhere else. Facts. So I'm talking about everybody tunnel vision. Small brain killers. They all just run together.
This looks familiar.
Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm sorry, brother. You're not getting it off. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come make it. Come on, close. Ah! Sheesh! You want me fucking dead. Move, Leland. Leland, you get me fucking killed. On my soul, Leland. It's up. Come on, come on. Come on, I need this. I need this.
I'd better grab that.
Come on, Johnny boy.
Come
Come on, yeah, run at me. Up, stupid. Stupid, I'm faster than you. I'm faster than you, stupid. Faster than you. Come on.
I gotta get out of here.
Can't hold me.
Gotta make
GG's.
this right.
Who we got up in here? Who we got up in here? Like Johnny and a cook and ugly man? Okay, okay. Virginia, Connie, and Anna on my team. Let's get all that juice. Let's get all that juice. I ain't get my juice.
Danny, over here.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I just want some juice. 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 There we go. Gonna watch a little TV real quick. Go through here. Come on. Be fast. Let's go. This juice. Come on. Getting all the juice right now. Johnny boy! Johnny boy! Ugly man. Y'all just everywhere. Y'all everywhere together. I like it. I know, ugly man. You just think I'm just a little bot. I know. But sadly, I'm not. I know what I'm doing. I just love how fast I'm getting my stamina back. Oh shit. Let's go. Get through this door, man.
I got this.
Sheesh. Come on. Let's get up out of here.
Oh God, there they are.
Come on, huh? Thinking ahead of the game. Come on, huh? Ooh. Ooh, Lord. Come on, Leatherface.
God, I hope they're gone.
Got it off.
You need to just leave me alone. Something I can actually use. God, these people are just freaks. I bet I can use that. All right, I got this. I'm good.
Alright, it's back there. I seen it. There's a thing over here, bro. Sheesh, no.
Damn it! Everywhere I look, and right here.
Yeah, they got one back there. Thanks.
Hey, what's that?
Fuck. Please don't come over here right now.
Lost him. It's clear.
Facts.
This'll be
Grab
nice.
one of these too, just in case.
This is what I'm talking about. I can definitely use this.
Come on. Go.
Yeah, man, I remember how this works. I know they aren't too far away. Gotta breathe.
Ooh, come on, move fast. Let's get in here. I'm a smooth criminal. Let's get it. Give me that. Need some of that juice. Always. Let's get it. Come on. Open up all that.
Oh, that looks helpful.
Oh yeah, that's still locked.
This'll make a great lockpick. Okay, that'll do it. Way too loud.
Where can I get a give me that. Oh shit.
Gross, but I can use this.
Tell me where he
I don't think I'm about to do that. I think it's over. Hold on. Hold on. You really follow me? I'm too fast. You really want to try to follow me? Mm-hmm.
I bet I can get through
Give
here.
me all of that juice. Need that juice right there. Need that. That's been nice. You show up. Word. That boy trying to do. Word.
A shortcut to where? Do they see me?
He didn't see me. Oh my god.
This'll do nicely.
He didn't see me. Oh wow. Is there a valve up there? No, I don't look like it. Oh shit. Why you, bro? Why the fuck you? Right, get the hell, man. You're the only one patrolling through this motherfucker. Thank God.
Oh God, you're alive.
I got a hill over here. Oh, fucking right.
That looks helpful.
Oh my God. Oh, thank God.
I don't see anybody. Okay.
Oh shit. That was something else right there. Keep your ass still. What are you doing?
This should deaden the pain. I'd better grab that. But I know they'll be back.
Now where are you squirming off?
Get away from me right now.
Let's go. And he had to hold that body block. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
That Nancy house got a lot of juice on that Nancy. Some juice right there.
Where this leads.
Hell am
Come on.
I?
Got some more juice. Look at that juice.
This will make a great lockpick. I hear that. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that looks helpful. There you go. Where are you? Got it. Come on. I have to be quieter.
Oh Lord, boy. Playing some dangerous games.
Is this safe? Maybe it'll stop the bleeding.
And I got the information I needed from upstairs, so I come on this way. Shit.
I think I lost him.
That's come on. Gotta go get the valve. Put it on the tank. Pop the tamper. We good.
I think they're gone, but I know they'll be back. This will do nicely.
come on, I could do it. Woo, Virginia, I'm about to do something for us, baby. Woo.
Oh, I recognize this.
Well, should they have one over? I ain't even know one spawn over here. Okay, I know for next time. Further. I'm out of here, man. They tripping. They can't stop me. Get hitchhiker. Look. People out.
Wait for me right now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?